one black knight colocasia that we would like to pot up and save. It hasn't died down yet. The foliage is still nice, so we're going to put it in this container. Chris, can you come in and try to dig this one up? Let's put this in this container.
Sure I can. This one's actually pretty dry over here.
It's very dry over here.
I'll get one more. There it goes. I think we got all the roots there too.
Got all the roots.
Yeah.
So that's going to be good. We'll put a little bit more soil around it. Just a little bit more. That's enough.
Okay.
There we go. Now that it's potted, we can enjoy it until the cold weather comes and it starts dying back. And that's when I stop watering it, and I will take it inside my garage or a cool, dry place and let it stay for the winter. And then in the spring, start watering it back again and planting it back in the ground.